Alright guys, let's get started with the weekly analysis. This is the first one, GBP-CHF. Let me show you what I got here. First thing is that of course monthly and weekly supply are full in control of the market. We have, you know, this monthly trend line, we have this daily trend line, and you know, supply has been removing demand zones here, so that tells me that supply is in control and I want to get short. Let me start with that. But I think that during this week we will have a good opportunity to make a counter trend. Why is that? Let me show you this. Alright, we had a trend line here. That was broken. The trend line was removed. And this zone here was removed also. So the rule says that, you know, a change or a market shift structure change when a supply zone or a demand zone is removed along with the trend line. So that's pretty much your confirmation when these two scenarios in combine happen, you know, removal of the zone and trend line removed as well. And that's pretty much what we have here. The trend line was removed and this zone was removed. So I hope you got the idea. But also we have this. We have a resistance level right there. Alright, so this resistance level was removed from this rally, from this impulse, and that's why I like this impulse, because the intention of removing the resistance started right there. Alright, that's demand zone in the 4-hour time frame. So that will be my entry. If price gets back here, I'll take the opportunity to get long. Alright, to get long. Keep in mind that this is just a counter trend, but it will be, you know, 676 pips, so they are still good. And once price reaches either this level or this level, I'm sure the price will realign with the higher time frame structures, which is, you know, downtrend, which is creating lower lows in the higher time frame. So it's pretty much a realignment entry, a counter trend entry, and that's what I'm looking for on GBP-CHF. Let me show you another one. Okay, next one. Let's move to the USD pairs. There is something I like on dollar Singapore. Alright, this is what I found here. First, price is at a monthly supply. See, we have a base level right there. Alright, base level. I didn't want to mark it because I like to keep my charts as clean as possible. So let's keep this in mind, that this is a monthly level, alright, that has been tested as well. This was a good opportunity for us to take it right at the entry. I'm sorry, right at the week, but I didn't want to take it due to the fact that, you know, the when levels are tested, many times they become weak. That is the main reason why I didn't want to take this trade, and I waited for a confirmation, and we had the confirmation already. Where is the confirmation? Let me explain to you that. Give me a second. Alright, this is a confirmation. We have a daily trend line right there. We have a daily trend line. Hold on one second. This is so slow. Not sure what's going on. Alright, there it is. Sorry about that, guys. Okay, yeah, we have a 4-hour trend line, daily trend line, and this trend line was already removed, and this lower low was already removed as well. Alright, so we have a confirmation already. This 4-hour level was already created. Alright, and this is another realignment trend. We have a good profit margin. If price gets back here, we will get a fresh level on the 4-hour time frame, and we are at a monthly, weekly, and daily supply zone. Keep in mind the first supply zone that I show you on the monthly. So this is a good opportunity for us to get short. All right, this is a good opportunity for us to get short because we know that supply is in control. All right, supply is in control. I'm sure this level eventually will be broken, will be removed, but it will probably bounce up from this level. All right, so we have a good profit margin on dollar Singapore. See, we have a good opportunity. I'm sure that once price reaches this level, then we will start looking for long opportunities and in order to remove this level. All right, so this is the movement expected on this one. A retracement to the level, and then let's get short. All right, we have a good profit margin, and that's what I like the most on this one. All right, so that's pretty much what I have on dollar Singapore. Main reasons why I want to get short, because we already had the confirmation, broken trend line, removing this level removed. All right, this level, this lower low removed, and also the price is, it's creating a downtrend from a monthly, weekly, daily supply zone. All right, that's the main reason. This monthly supply zone there. All right, so that's the opportunity I have for what's this that's the opportunity I have for dollar Singapore. Let's wait for the retracement so we can get short. Let's check one more. We have also dollar franc. We have an opportunity. We know that monthly, this is very interesting, guys, because monthly demand is also in control, and monthly supply, through the trend line, is also in control as well. And right now the market is in the middle of the range between the monthly and the monthly supply and the monthly demand. So this is a crucial level, because this will, in my opinion, will determine whether the market will go up or go down. So we just need to stick to confirmations as of now. This is what I see on dollar franc. First, we have a base level. All right, CP pattern base level. Not sure how you guys call it, but I call it base level. This is a base level, or CP. So the price is already, going deep on this on the level. As long as the level is not removed, it's still valid. But I wouldn't take the buy opportunity just because it's a level. I rather wait for confirmations. What will be the confirmation? Well, there you go. You have a trend line there. If the trend line is broken, if the trend line is removed, or if you start seeing a change in the structure, I mean, if the price starts creating higher highs in the lower time frame, such as 1 hour time frame or 4 hour time frame, then I can start thinking on going long on this one. All right, but if we just see the market going short, and still dropping, and the level gets removed, so I will wait for a retracement in order to get short from any 4 hour supply level. So that's the plan for dollar franc. Let's check one more. Last one is dollar CAD. Pretty much is the same scenario. All right, the same scenario, but this one I think I can see it more clearly. Why? Okay, first of all, we have a monthly, weekly, daily supply right there. All right, we have a weekly supply level nested in a monthly supply level. That's why we have this huge drop. I actually sent this analysis on my Twitter last week. I hope you guys took it, and let me show you what I'm trying to explain. I'm not at home, guys. I'm so sorry for this slow connection, but there it is. All right, this huge spike. If we go to the daily, we will see a very nice supply level. All right, I mean, oh no, there is the supply level right there, and that's where price you know, made it reversal. Let me show you the 1 hour time frame. We have like a, you know, head shoulder pattern right there. Anyways, right now price is at a daily fresh demand zone. All right, this is a base level, but also you have to pay closely attention to the monthly trend line, because we have an uptrend right there. All right, see how price has been removing levels. This level was removed, this level was also removed, and that is telling us that the price is trying to, you know, go up. So this monthly trend line is still intact. You know, we have here we have a valley, we have another valley right there, and the monthly trend line is still intact. So as long as the trend line is still intact, I will try to get I'll try to get long there. We have two levels on the daily, and this is basically the last part of the analysis. We have two levels. We have this level. Not sure if the level might work. I don't think so, but in case, you know, the price respects the level, then I will try to get long, because I'm sure the price is still trying to go up. But see this other level right there, we have a gap here. We have a gap, and gaps level are the best ones to take entries, because they are the strongest level of supply or demand, and this is a fresh level of demand, and as well in the same direction of the trend line. All right, so as per the rules, you can take these levels, either this one or this one, but let's wait for confirmations first. I want to show you how gap levels work. Let me show you Euro USD, because this was another analysis that I sent. We had a level. There is, I guess there is. Yeah, here. Check this level. This was a gap level. All right, this was a gap level, and see how market reacted to that zone. All right, prices at the gap level, and then we had a huge rally. See all that movement. I hope you guys took that entry as well. All right, and then boom, so many peeps from this gap level. So we have another level on USD CAD. USD CAD. Okay, right there. We have another level, another gap level right there. Going in the same direction of the monthly trend line. So let's see how it works. I'll be checking this level. And I'll wait for confirmations. And if the level does not work, so then we can get sure if price makes a retracement to a 4-hour level from the level of 4-hour time frame to this zone. And once price reaches this zone, then I'm sure the price will go all the way up. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you understood my analysis. These analyses are based on supply and demand methodology, and I hope you like it. Sorry about my language barrier. I'm not a native English speaker, but I hope you guys learn from my analysis. If you like the content, you can subscribe to my channel. I post weekly forecast every Sunday, and you can follow me on Twitter as Salvitrader. I post Spanish and English content. Alright, that's it for today, guys. Stay safe, and I wish you many pips. Bye bye.